Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Creative Corner. Friends, today's video is going to be very special. In this video, I'm going to show you an all-in-one free AI website. The name of this website is AI Ease. Using this website, all your work will be done easily. When you select the AI image tool here, so many options appear in front of you like photo restoration, AI baby generator, AI face swap, passport photo maker, AI background. Let me click on the photo restoration option. Then it gives the option to upload image. Below some sample images are also given, which you can choose from. I have some downloaded on my computer, so I will select one and upload it here. Once uploaded, click on the generate option and the image will start processing. You can see the image is being generated. Now you can see our photo is ready. You can compare the before and after version and see how well the photo has been restored. You can download it by clicking on the download option. You can upload another picture as well. As you have seen, this is how easily our photo was restored. I selected another image and clicked on the generate option. You can again see the photo is ready and how nicely the tool has enhanced it. Now I'm going back to the AI tools and this time I select the background blur option. Here again it gives the upload image option. I choose an image from my computer and upload it. You can see it has blurred the background. You can adjust the blur intensity using the options provided. And yes, you can upload and download the image too. There are also other background change options that you can explore and select whichever suits you best. Let's go back the website. Here I click on the passport photo maker option. You will see an interface like this. Upload image option appears. I select and upload a photo from my computer. The picture starts generating. You can see it has been turned into a passport size photo. You can also select the size from the option above. You can download it as a printable photo or as a digital photo. Both options are available. Back on the website again. There is also a hairstyle change option. Let's select that, click the upload option, choose a picture and upload it. On the left side, you will see various hairstyle options, long hair, medium hair, etc. I select one and click generate. You can see it has changed the hairstyle and even changed the hair color. You can select the color you want. Hairstyles for both male and female are available. This is truly an amazing website. You should definitely try it and at least once. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.